Hi balloon mates! In this video, I'll share to you how I make a balloon bee. We'll need one yellow 10-inch balloon inflated at 6 inches, two black 5-inch balloons inflated at 3.5 inches, two yellow 5-inch balloons inflated really small, I don't know what size is that, I'm gonna show you later, and some white 260s for the eyes, wings, and for tying the balloons together. Let's start. Cut two 260s in half and save the 260s with the closed tip because you're gonna use them for the eyes later. Get the yellow balloon and tie a 260 on this end. Then bring or insert the knot towards the nipple of the balloon to the other side. Once you've got hold of the knot, twist this like this and then tie it with a 260. This is a bit difficult if you're doing this for the first time, so ask someone to hold the balloon as you tie the 260s. Now you have 260s on both sides of your yellow balloon. Then do the same thing to the black 5-inch balloons that you inflated at 3.5. Then tie together the yellow and black balloons. Repeat the process to the other side. Inflate your 5-inch yellow balloon this small and pinch the tip so you can get an egg shape for the sting. Use double-sided tape to attach them on both sides. One end will be the face and the other end will be the sting part. Cut the tip of the neck. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. You can leave a like, comment, and you can also share this video to help me grow my channel. Thank you! This part is the head and this one is the sting. Get the tip of the 260s that you saved earlier and inflate them like this. Make sure that they have the same size. Tie them together. Grab the 260s that you used to tie the black and yellow balloons together and loop the 260s around the eyes. For the wings, stretch a wide 260 before inflating them. Then inflate it this long. Release a bit of air before tying it. Tie together both ends and then get the center, twist them, take the remaining 260s and loop it on the back part of the bee. This is just optional, guys. I put a black strip in the middle of the yellow balloon using a double-sided tape. Without the strip it would be okay, but I think it is prettier with this stripe here, so I put it. Then draw the eyes. Here you go, my balloon bee. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.